Welcome to Days in Birmingham or West, your affordable and comfortable home in Birmingham, AL. Our hotel offers a range of amenities designed to make your stay enjoyable. Start your day right with our complimentary free coffee and breakfast item. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. We offer free parking for your convenience. Our guest rooms are clean and comfortable, providing a cozy retreat after a day of exploring. Enjoy a good night's sleep in our comfortable beds. Each room comes equipped with essential amenities for your convenience. Explore the charm of Birmingham with ease, as we are conveniently located near several attractions. Discover the local dining scene at nearby restaurants. Looking to enjoy an event or a game while in town? See what's happening at Legion Field or Birmingham Jefferson Convention Complex. Take in the natural beauty at scenic spots close to the hotel. Book your stay at Days in Birmingham or West today and experience affordable comfort in the heart of Birmingham, AL. Visit www.daysinbirminghamwest.com or call us at 1-205-324-4510.